What's wrong with GPT? Just make me the game. Don't stop. I'm on a journey to figure out which AI can create the ultimate mobile game slop. Brick Blast. This game is really addictive and fun, but it's filled to the brim with ads. And the ads are of other game stops. So I wanted to see if I can create a better game with AI without the ads and all the sloppiness of the game. And I don't know, maybe I can upload it to the Play Store so we can all play it. My PC killed itself basically. So I already was talking to it and recording, but I lost that. I asked it about to create a prompt for the game Brick Blast. It created for the wrong game, so I had to fix it and tell it what the game is, and it gave me this. So now I'll put it in a new chat, and let's see what Gemini gives us. Gemini is done. That was really fast. I think a minute, 2 minutes maximum. So let's see the version of this Brick Blast game by Gemini on PC first, and then we will test it on the phone. So the grid is invisible. You can't, so you can't drag them. You can't place the blocks anywhere. The grid is not visible. Gemini, you have betrayed me, my boy. I'm not gonna ask it to fix anything right now. I'm gonna put the same prompt into Chat GPT and see if Chat GPT from one prompt gives me a better game than Gemini did. Fingers crossed. Again, Chat GPT with their bullshit answers. What's wrong with GPT? Just make me the game. Don't stop. Chat GPT just refusing to do the game. Quite refusing to do the game. I've seen nothing like Chat GPT's ability to try and make money. I understand, just don't make the model free if it's just gonna be for answering questions. A lot of new people will try to open GPT and understand it more. If its memory is shit, they won't buy it. So anyway, let's go to Claude and let's see what gives us. Sonnet, medium, effort. Perfect. And Claude did it. Like usual, they don't say no. I've used 90% of my session limit, and this is the free version, by the way. I haven't paid for Claude. Until now, it looks better than Gemini. Oh no, I was saying that. Fuck. Okay. So, Claude did the visuals better, but it's not playable. Gemini did no visuals, and it's not playable anyway. ChatGPT refused to do it. I'm gonna go try GLM. I've read about it recently that it's very good and it's better than the locked model of Claude, which was Fable, I think. So let's see if it'll work. I'm just gonna paste the prompt and go with it. We're back. I don't know how long that took. And this is GLM. Took a while. This is what it shows. Not sure what the fuck is going on. Let's see, edit. So in edit, I can play the game. For whatever reason, oh, that's actually nice. Holy, okay. But for whatever reason, in the saved, let's see, save. Yeah, I just can't play the game. But honestly, I'll take that as a win because it is playable. The graphics are nice, so that's a good sign. It has a logic, like the real game. Let's see here. See, also they disappeared because we did one row for blocks. Let's have it here. I'm fucking up. And game over. Okay, honestly, GLM free version. I'm not even signed in. This game is amazing. I think I can prompt it to just fix this so I can see it in the main game and maybe I can open it on my phone. But before I do that, I'm gonna go back to Gemini and try to fix it with another prompt because as we saw, Gemini just refused to work. And after Gemini, I'm gonna go with Claude as well and try to fix it to give them all a fair chance. But until now, of course, with one prompt, GLM takes the cake. Let's see. So if Gemini finished, it told me to replace something with this code. Let's see if I'll figure out what to replace with what. This happens because of how modern. Okay, let's fix this precision placement issue. I have rewritten the drag and drop calculation logic using get compute exact cursor offset. Replace the script section of your file with this correct version. Isn't all my file script? Oh no, it's not. It should work now. Let's see. So I can drag and drop them, but they disappear mid-game. And I don't see any grid. No good, Gemini, no good.
No good!
I expected more from you. I'm not gonna give Gemini any more helping prompts. It's not fair for the other AI. So let's see if Claude can fix his mistakes and make a better game than Gemini did. And we've hit a wall with Claude. We can't do anything else unless we upgrade. Oh, guys, you're killing me. The Chinese AI bot is doing better than the paid version and the free Claude version, and ChatGPT as usual, last place. Let's try to fix this. I can't paste files into GLM. 4.7, which one is this? Is it the highest one? I don't think the highest one is open for free for people. GLM just died as well. What the fuck happened? Hello? It just sent the. We're back with GLM. It's saying it fixed it, but it didn't. We're still in the same case that I have to go into the edit panel to play the game. But nonetheless, this is probably the best version out of all the 4 AIs I tried, including shitty ass fucking GPT. I'll try maybe if I add the code. Let's see. Maybe this will run it. If you run the code directly, if you download it and run it, it will work properly without going to the edit file, which is really nice. It works very well. Maybe the shapes are not the same as the one in the game, but at least, oh, what the fuck just happened? At least it's a playable working version. And none of the other AIs gave me a playable good working version. Gemini came close, but still it's missing a lot of stuff and it needs a lot of fixing. This took one prompt and it gave me a good game. The second prompt, I don't know what it did with it. I wanna fail here to see what the death message is. Let's see. I think I'll fail now. Yeah. Game over, final score. Perfect. Honestly, for me, it's an amazing feat by GLM, the free version again. I haven't paid anything for it. I haven't done anything to it. I literally just opened it on recording and tried to do it. So yeah, GLM for the win. Not expected. Amazing though. I'll definitely keep an eye on GLM and test it more. Maybe I'll see the locked versions behind the sign-in wall. But yeah, that's it. I don't think we need to rate anything. GLM won easily by a landslide. And yeah, stay tuned for my next video. I'm exploring Google Flow. It's really amazing. And yep, see ya.